Isn't this a beauty? Tuny blossom. Sea green over cream. Nice variegations on the flower. Hand in the bag. All handmade. A wonderful tabletop fountain and a great cat fountain. ThirstyCatFountains.com